3, go. Hi everyone, my name's Hiba, and to those that don't know me and it's your first time here, I'm predominantly a DIY YouTuber. Through DIY, we can raise our vibration through doing something productive and feeling like we've achieved something. So today we're going to do a super quick and easy upcycle of something that was in my wardrobe. We're going to do inverted tie-dye. So let's get to it. So I started by scrunching up the tracksuit bottoms. I later on realized that I shouldn't do this, so don't start doing this please, but I just wanted to show you my process. And I initially tried using a different bleach and it didn't work, so I went and got like really cheap one from the supermarket, thick strong bleach, and this one definitely worked. So I decided to drizzle it all over, and then that's when I realized I'm not doing it the same way that a lot of other YouTubers have done it, where they've diluted it with water and they use a spray bottle to spray the bleach on. I'm doing more of like a skew whiff, kind of throw the bleach on kind of technique, and it's different, I think, to what a lot of people do. So you can choose what technique you like. This is what I'm doing. You've seen and you will see more of how the final result looks, so you can decide for yourself if you like this technique, and I really like it, and it's my favorite because using thicker bleach makes it more concentrated and therefore create a stronger bleach effect on your garment, which is more grey. I've noticed when you dilute it, it makes it a bit more red and orangey bleach. This is more like grey, so I think that's quite cool really. So this is how it looked after I bleached it, and I noticed there were a few bold patches, just areas where I needed to touch up, so I did add some extra bleach and left that in my shower overnight. Second layer of bleach, and I'm actually happy with this. At first when I looked at it I was like, oh my gosh, it looks creepy, it looks like they're moldy or something, but now I'm kind of liking this vibe. The front has much more bleach on than the back, so let's put it in the, oh yeah, and I kind of like that the back has less. I don't know why, I think it's just because it makes it more thrown on and random rather than just making the whole thing covered in bleach. But yeah, let's put this in the washing machine now and see how it goes. So I'm putting it in the washing machine, but because it's only one item and I feel kind of guilty putting one item in, I'm gonna do a short wash and then do this wash, and I'm actually gonna put peppermint oil into the thingy, the drawer, because I heard that peppermint oil helps cut into the bleach smell. So this is the oil that I'm using, and I am just going to put that in the drawer of the washing machine. I've already done it, so yeah. And then I'm going to add some detergent. So here is the final result. So on the left you see the before, and I realised I was wearing the sweatshirt backwards, so you can see the back of my sweatshirt is much prettier than the front, but I'm still really happy with the results, and I love the colours, and I will definitely live in this set. That is it, you guys. It's a great way to bring back, revamp some pieces in our wardrobe that we didn't like anymore. I feel like the bleach effect kind of would hide some bobbliness and flaws in your items of clothing and kind of look kind of like it's meant to be a bit old and worn out. So I feel like you can get away with bringing back certain pieces that you thought maybe looked too old in your wardrobe. And I really love how I use the really concentrated bleach, so it's gone really grey. And oh, it's got really dark all of a sudden. The clouds have just gone in front of the sun. Well, the tiny bit of sun we get in London. And yeah, I really hope you like that. I really aim with my DIYs to do a lot of quite easy, simple ones, and I also like the fact that there's that element of sustainability through just reusing and revamping pieces in your wardrobe to kind of follow fashion trends, so you kind of get best of both worlds. The sustainability side mixed with the DIY side, feeling like you've done something, achieved something, made something yourself, and mixed with following the trends. So I really hope you guys like this. If you do like it, please give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm doing DIYs all the time. I like to be a bit more accessible and relatable with my DIYs so that people don't get like frustrated with not being able to follow things or not feeling like they have all the equipment. And so if that is your vibe, you like to feel like you've achieved something, you like to learn new things, then definitely give me a follow, and I will be back with more fashionable, cool and fun DIYs, sending you love, light and good vibes always.